All right, hello everyone at Silver Lining. So Mom and I just heard about a great new restaurant downtown Chattanooga that we're gonna go try out right now. It's called Miss B's. They don't know it, but we have a chicken named Miss B. So Miss B, do you want to go to chicken with us? Hey, Miss B, do you want to go to your restaurant? We heard of a new restaurant called Miss B's. Do you want to go? Go check it out. Let's go. Let's go. We're gonna go to Miss B's. They can't wait. Serve family style, and it's been in the family, the same family owning it for 5 generations, so it's been open 75 years. Something different about how they serve it, so we need to go check this out. So we're going to Miss B's like we heard about, so let's check it out. All right, let's go. Get your shoes on. All right, we'll see you at Miss B's. We're going to take you guys along with us on the journey.
Down in Chattanooga town, family style is where we bound. Spinning tables twirl around, southern dishes, joy is found. 5 generations strong and bright, owned with love, everybody.
Hey y'all, how's it going? Got 2?
This is my first time, yes.
B was my great-grandmother. We've been here for 74 years. It's all you can eat. We bring it to the table. It's full service. We have really good, just country, southern cooking.
All right.
And we've got apple cobbler today and homemade chocolate chip cookies.
Ooh, sounds good.
All right.
Fried chicken and a touch of thyme. Pass through ages, taste divine.
All right, let's
We
go.
have catfish, drumsticks, chicken, cornbread and rolls, coleslaw, potato salad, pasta salad, pickled beets, pinto beans, green beans, whole potatoes, baked beans, and barbecue pork.
Wow.
Yes, ma'am.
Woohoo!
Y'all
Thank
enjoy
you.
yourself over here.
Apple cobbler for dessert.
Oh my
and homemade
gosh.
chocolate chip cookie.
And it's all you just dive in. Okay, where do we start, Mom?
I don't even know. I mean, I'm just, I'm just.
So that's Granny and that's B, but she was a piece of work. She would, if you had a hat on it, and when Jimmy Hoffa was being tried in Chattanooga, the federal judge came in here and sat right here and had a hat on, and she knocked it off his head. But she could get away with that. We can't.
This is awesome. You said this is 5 generations. Your family's been part of this restaurant. That's so. What do you do? What do you do here?
Anything and everything.
Everything. I think it's okay.
What you taking?
Means you're gonna. Are you gonna manage the restaurant? Is that it? Gotcha.
I didn't get rid of it. I did environmental health, so ETSU, so we were, good on everything. Tried to
I don't normally like
business. And then his brother's doing engineering, so
Okay.
I don't know what we're gonna do. We might build a rocket and put chicken on it or something.
There you go.
Down in Chattanooga town,
Yes. Yeah. I mean, this style is something you don't
family
ever see
style is where
anywhere.
we
So I
bound.
and it's all Southern cooking. I think it's amazing.
Spinning tables twirl around,
Oh.
southern dishes, joy is found. 5 generations strong and bright, owned with love, everybody. Warmth and laughter, pure delight. Every meal, a perfect night. Round and round that table goes, hospitality that always shows. Family ties where laughter flows, southern charm forever grows. Granny's recipe, oh so fine. Fried chicken and a touch of thyme. Pass through ages, taste divine. Heartfelt moments, yours and mine.
All right, we are back from Miss B's. Mom, how do you feel? How was it?
Oh, Yeah, I got a food baby. I am so full. It is so good.
What's your favorite?
Which is my favorite? The chicken, the catfish, the pickled beets, amazing. Pickled beets, potato salad, coleslaw, macaroni. They were all my favorites. I couldn't pick just one thing.
You gonna go back?
Oh, yeah.
William!
Believe it.
William, we got a place we gotta take you. It's called Miss B's, downtown Chattanooga. Have you heard of it? Ah, you didn't tell us. We found out about it today. Uh-oh, well.
They quit serving that.
Why? Because you eat too much?
Yeah. There's like 8 or 10 of us around the lazy Susan. Bring fried chicken,
Bring more, bring more. Nice.
See, the lazy Susan is what that spinny thing is.
Yeah, that's cool.
Lazy
They called it a lazy
Susan.
Susan.
That's a good reason.
We went there today and we loved it, so we thought we got to take William, but I kind of figured you might have been there already because you're a local. It's been I forgot. I don't remember. Okay. All right. Well, all right, Miss B's, you passed our inspection, so thumbs up to you, and we'll be back. Woo, Miss B's.
On with love, everybody.